Eye health supplements promising clearer vision are everywhere, and ClearVision is one of the most talked about. But does it actually improve your vision, or is it just another bottle on the shelf? Let's break it down. So, ClearVision is marketed as a natural vision support supplement with antioxidants and eye-friendly nutrients like lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamins A, C, E, and zinc. All the ingredients often include in formulas designed to support eye health and reduce eye strain. These nutrients are linked with protecting your eyes and maintaining visual performance over time. The brand states consistent use may help with things like visual clarity, reduced digital eye fatigue, and better comfort during screen time. Here's what customers often say they experience. Many users report reduced eye strain and less fatigue after long screen sessions. Some people notice sharper visions or better clarity, especially in low light conditions. Ingredients like lutein and zeaxanthin are backed by research for eye health support, and it comes with a money back guarantee on many official purchases, so you can try risk free. But here's the reality check. Supplements don't magically fix vision problems. Structural issues like nearsightedness, astigmatism, or cataracts won't be cured by pills. Reviews can be mixed, and improvements are often gradual and subtle. Some users don't notice major changes, and results can vary widely between individuals. A few customer reports mention slow results, digestive discomfort, and online only availability, which may not be ideal for everyone. Independent online discussions sometimes call out overhyped marketing claims and the lack of strong clinical proof that vision actually improves. So does clear vision actually improve visibility? Not in a dramatic or instant way. It can help support eye comfort, reduce eye strain, and possibly make your eyes feel fresher, but it won't instantly fix vision or cure eyesight issues. For many people, improvements are subtle and gradual, and real vision changes usually require proper eye care from a professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.